When it comes to making money online, Amazon is by far the biggest. Amazon makes it easy for entrepreneurs who want to find new ways to make money to get started. You might be surprised at how easy it is to be bestseller on Amazon or make a lot of money in other ways on Amazon. Whether you sell something or not, there are many ways to make money on Amazon. Here are some ways that Amazon can help you make money, no matter what kind of skills or resources you have. But before you start watching the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell button. So let's start. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. As an Amazon affiliate, you can make a lot of money on Amazon without selling anything yourself. This is one of the easiest ways to make a lot of money on Amazon. Amazon's affiliate program is a huge part of how the company makes money. As an Amazon affiliate, you can make money if you have a large online following, either through a website, blog, or because you run a community. All you have to do is suggest products on Amazon that fall into a category that your audience likes. If people click on the affiliate link and buy something, you will get a commission. Most of the time, between 4% and 10% of the price of the item goes to the Amazon affiliate. It's very easy to join Amazon affiliate program, and it can bring in a lot of money. Number 2. Amazon Handmade. If you thought that Etsy was the only place to sell handmade goods of good quality, you were wrong. You can sell clothes, jewelry, accessories, art, and other handmade items on Amazon Handmade. You will get custom URL from the Amazon Handmade, which will make it much easier for all of your customers to find your shop. Amazon makes it easier and cheaper for people who sell handmade items than for the other sellers. A professional selling account costs $39.99 a month, but handmade sellers don't have to pay this fee. Just give them 15% of the total price of what you sell. Number 3. Amazon merch. Do you think of yourself as a designer or artist? You might be a good fit for Amazon merch. Even if you aren't an expert, you might be able to make great design that make money on this platform as long as you know what's popular and have basic design software. You can put your design on t-shirts, hoodies, and a lot of other things to sell. To sell your goods on Amazon, you won't have to pay anything. Amazon is in charge of printing, shipping, packaging, and customer service. You just need to make an account, upload your design and price, write a description, and choose a color. For every design you sell, you get a royalty. How much money you make from a product depends on how much it sells for and how much it costs Amazon to sell it. Number 4. Kindle Direct Publishing. Are you a writer, or do you have a group of writers you can call on? No longer do you need the help of a publishing house to get your work out there. You can publish Kindle books on the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. You can get up to 70% of the royalties from all sales. On this platform, you are not just limited to digital Kindle books. You can also print hard copies. To make money in this field, you must write a lot. A bestsellers will help a lot. But to be successful with Kindle publishing, you really need to make a steady stream of content. Also, you won't have an agent or publisher to help you get the word out. So your work will have to sell itself, or you will have to do all the marketing yourself. Number 5. Fulfillment by Amazon. Not as many people know that an Amazon FBA business is a way to make money on Amazon. Still, it's a great way to make money without having to worry about customer service or shipping. Your products are kept in an Amazon warehouse. Once the products are shipped, they can make you money on the Amazon marketplace without you having to do anything. This program is used by Amazon Prime to get items to customers faster. With the Amazon FBA program, you send your items to an Amazon center and let them handle shipping. Customers wouldn't even know the difference, which is why so few people have heard of this program. As an Amazon FBA seller, you will be charged by the unit, which is based on the size and weight of the item. If your items don't sell, you also have to pay a monthly fee to store them. Depending on what you have to sell, an Amazon FBA business might be a much better option for you than selling directly on Amazon. Number 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. The Mechanical Turk project might be right for you if you just want to make a little bit of extra money without having to start a big project, find an audience, or sell anything. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money on Amazon with little money upfront. With this program, you can join Amazon's huge army of people to work from home. As part of your job, you may have to fill out surveys and moderate and verify content. It's not a quick way to get rich, but you could make $15 or more an hour, and it's easy to fit these tasks in with your other activities. This program could be perfect for people who want an easy way to make a few extra dollars on the side. Number 7. Retail arbitrage. Have you ever seen a really good price at a big box store like Walmart? Using retail arbitrage, you can make money by stocking up on items that are on sale. Retail arbitrage lets you sell products that are on sale at big box stores on Amazon and make a profit from the difference. By taking advantage of clearance sales, coupons, and other deals, you can save a lot of money on many items. Using the FBA revenue calculator, you can scan barcodes with your phone to find out if an item is worth selling on Amazon. To do well at retail arbitrage, you have to put in a lot of work. If you think you can get by just buying things on sale when you see them, you will probably be disappointed. But if you like looking for deals, you may find that you can actually make money. Number 8. Sell a service. Selling things on Amazon or putting up ads aren't the only way to make money on Amazon. You can also make a good income from an Amazon store if you have a service to sell. Amazon can help you connect with clients, whether you teach music or a school subject. You won't have to pay for advertising or startup costs, and you won't have to pay a fee every month. All you need is a general liability insurance with a cap of $1 million per incident and a business background check that comes back clean. Background checks are also needed for services given to homeowners. How much of what you make goes to Amazon depends on what service you offer and how much money you make. Amazon can do some of the work for you. If you don't want to advertise your services, make a website, etc. on your own. So these are some best ways to make money with Amazon in 2022. And also please subscribe to our channel SmartYourBiz. Our mission is to show you how to build a profitable business online with affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelance step by step. From your first step to your first customer. SmartYourBiz. Stop dreaming. Make it happen.